Hello everybody, I'm Kenny Brown with another one of my little tech nuggets. Now a lot of people are asking why we no longer manufacture lower control arms in the front grip kit for the 5 to 10 Mustangs. Well, the answer is pretty simple. All it has to do with ball joints. This is the ball joint of a 5 to 10 Mustang, and you can see it's an 18mm shaft, and there's a groove all the way around for the clevis bolt. Well, this has proven problematic in the past because this is a weak spot right here. In 2011, they went to a 19mm shaft, which you can see is beefier, but also, I turn this a little bit, you can see there's just a little bitty nick in there for the clevis bolt to go through. And it's easy to position it because you just put a wrench on here and twist it around. This way you've got just a teeny little slit, there's no weak point, and it's a much stronger shaft. So anytime we build a 5 to 10 Mustang, we always upgrade to 11 to 14 spindles. Now we've got a couple of different salvage yards that we talk to, and we can get them from there. We rebuild them and put them in. Now this is one that's going to go in a 2008 Roush Mustang that we're totally upgrading, full Kenny Brown suspension and front grip kit, and of course it's going to 19mm ball joints. But on this one also what we've done, we've got a brand new bearing pack along with the long ARP wheel studs. That's going to be a track car. Now if you can see all the little bitty dabs of NECs on there, and that's specifically because if you're taking the wheels on and off, on and off, on and off, I mean you're threading down the lug nuts on and off, you got metal on metal. And after a while they're going to start chewing on each other, and one of them's going to fail. So by putting a little anti-seize on there, or even a couple drops of thick oil, you're lubricating the threads. First of all, you're going to get a better torque value. You don't have to torque it as high. And secondly, the studs and the lug nuts are going to last longer. A couple other little things. I don't know if you can see in the dust cap on there, the little hole. Now, we started back when racing the Fox cars, and we kept losing dust caps. when the brakes got hot, when the calipers and the rotors got hot, what would happen is the little dust cap would blow off. So back then we started putting, we'll drill either an 1/8 or 3/16 hole in the dust cap just to relieve the pressure when it gets hot. In the 197s, there's already a hole in there, you just have to scrape it off. Just one of those little things to keep the heat from building up and the pressure inside of the wheel bearing, and actually makes the wheel bearings last longer. So there you have it. If you're building a 5 to 10 Mustang, really consider about upgrading to the 19mm ball joints, the 11 to 14 Mustangs. Like I say, you can pick the spindles up in salvage yards, and there's virtually no difference between the 5 to 10 and 11 to 14 other than the bigger ball joint. So that's my little tech nugget for today.